Hello. Welcome to our channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash, I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. My dear friends, this is the hourly chart of gold in front of us, and gold has shown good amount of correction after the market opening. Gold is just below 2700. Gold is just lower on likely pullback after recent high. On Saturday, we discussed about two trading possibilities on the chart of gold. After the market opening, if gold goes up, then we discuss about the next resistance around 2750 area. And our second possibility was after the market opening, market would show some correction. And here we got to see some heavy correction. So the possibility number one that we discussed on Saturday is no longer valid. And we need to discuss about the possibility number two, means if gold comes for correction. So again, I'm repeating, my dear friends, okay, if you're a positional trader on gold, okay, then obviously you can hold your buy position as long as gold is trading above 2650. And if you're looking for fresh position in the market as a positional trader, then obviously you need to buy at retracement or buy at dip. If you're a swing trader also, then also you can look for buy at dip or buy at retracement will be your best trading strategy, because gold is fundamentally bullish, and the reason is the supply of the yellow metal is limited on our planet. That's it. So that's why positional traders always make money when they are on the long side, buy side. So if you're a positional trader, buy at retracement is the best trading strategy you can follow. And if you're a day trader, then obviously you need to go with the flow. Following the current trend, present trend of the market should be your first priority. And right now we can see that gold is under correction. So right now, okay, it is still not clear, okay, whether the correction on the chart of gold will continue for the next few days or gold will just try to go up from here. Not clear, because there is no news at present that will seal the fact that yes, finally we are having some trend reversal temporary. No. So position traders, swing traders, if you have already exited, no need to worry, you'll get a better opportunity. And if you're looking for a fresh position, wait for further retracement. And if you're a day trader, then obviously you need to follow the present trend of the market. Right now, the present trend of the market is still very much not clear to us. So we will go with the overall trend only. So if you're day trader, okay, if you're a day trader, if you have already taken a buy in the morning, then you can continue with your buy position with your stop loss around 2655. Okay, with your stop loss at 2655, you can continue your buy position. And if you're looking for a fresh position in the market, then obviously, okay, you can look for buy at support. If not a complete trend reversal, at least we can look for 40 to 60 pips as a day trader. And as I said, right now the trend of the market is not clear. By the US session, we may get a better clarity. But at this moment, during the Asian session, while I'm recording the video, it is not much clear to us. So what we need to do then, okay, we can see that our FIBO was respected beautifully. Okay, so we are expecting our next buy position as a day trader to be around 9642 to 2642 to 2638. This is our next buy position on the chart of gold, where we can expect a 40 to 60 pips bounce as a day trader. Okay, and if we change the starting point here, we can see that we have FIBO 50% retracement around 637. So we are expecting good amount of support around this area. If there is no crazy fall in the market, then observe the market around this area. Market should show some price rejection from below. If market behaves according to expectation, we can look for a buy at 2641 2640 area. Okay, the second buy opportunity on the chart of gold is around 2618. It can be 2619, it can be 2620 also. Okay, these levels do not work precisely. Okay, these levels work as zones in the market. So when market will enter 2620 2619 area, observe the market. You can switch to a lower time frame, 15 minutes. Observe the market behavior for 1 minute, 2 minutes. If you see the market is showing price rejection from below, you can go for a buy position. Why? Because we have FIBO 61.8% retracement level. Okay, so at this moment, these are the two levels where we can expect a bounce of 40 to 60 pips as a day trader. As a swing trader, no, you can wait for further retracement or clarity. And when we are considering the overall trend here and we are drawing a FIBO, we can see that we have the next FIBO around 2650 area. 2650 area, 2650. Why? 2650 is a round number, means a psychological support. Okay, so around 2650 also we can expect a bounce, not a good bounce, but okay, if the volume of the market is not very high, okay, in the morning selling pressure is high, okay, but if you see the market is slowing down, okay, sides of the candles are small, in that case you can expect a bounce around 2650 on the chart of gold. Okay, but 2650 is not a very reliable level. Let's keep our eyes around 2640 and 2620 area. Okay, and if you're a scalper, okay, if you're a scalper, if risk is your middle name, you're a daredevil kind of a trader, in that case, okay, you can also look for a sell position, a skill, not sell, quick sell around 2684 area. Why 2684? Because the 50 moving average was working as a dynamic support, the same will be working as a dynamic resistance. So during the day, if market shows some temporary recovery, in that case, as a day trader, you can look for a sell position around 2684 area. Okay, how much you can expect? 30 to 40 pips. 1:1 risk to reward ratio is good enough. Okay, but in this situation, again I'm repeating, the trend of the market is not very clear because structure wise, okay, market is not bullish. You can see the market has broke the previous low here. Market has formed a lower low. Okay, so there is no news yet, so I'm not expecting that there will be a complete trend reversal for the next couple of weeks. No, without any proper fundamental reason, there cannot be a trend reversal. But still, okay, still market, instead of market going up, we may see market being sideways. Okay, for that reason, okay, for that reason, I'm telling you guys that be careful. Do not go big right now because as a day trader, the trend of the market is not clear. By tomorrow, obviously, we will get a better picture from the highs and lows of the market from this market structure. For example, tomorrow, if we see market like this, okay, then it will be clear to us that market is choppy, buy at support, sell at resistance will be a trading strategy. Okay, but right now we can see a transition, that too without a news. Okay, so let's be careful. So if you have any ongoing buy, continue with your buy position. Okay, and if you're looking for a sell, then be careful. Okay, no news yet. And if there's a fall in the market, sudden fall during the US session, you can follow the trend. But if market remains like this, in that case, you can look for a quick buy or 40 to 56 pips buy around 2640, 2620 area. Okay, 261 and 2641. The thing is that flexibility is very important. Okay, I always say flexibility is very important for the survival of a trader. Right now, okay, we can see there is a transition. So you need to be on back foot right now. You cannot be aggressive. So that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.